Hi, I'm Lisa Deiser. I'm the chair of the Food Science Department at the University of Guelph. And I'm here today with students that have been involved with our hot sauce project. So I'd like to introduce Jillian, Kavita, Sabrin, and Krupa. And they're here today to talk to me about the products that they've been creating. So Jillian, what do we have here?
So today we have 5 different sauces that we made, and all these sauces were made completely on campus by undergraduate food science students.
Let's try our first hot sauce.
We have our Hot Tropic made from a previous year. So this one is a very mild and sweet hot sauce, and so it's good for almost anybody.
And it's quite a pleasant flavor. And so the 4 of you are not alone in creating these products. I'm sure you had a lot of help.
We have about 50 volunteers that come out and help us pretty regularly. Most of them are undergraduate food science students. And it is kind of a unique experience where you get to go into the Guelph Food Innovation Center pilot plant and have a lot of really good hands-on experience. And so it is really fun for all the undergrads to kind of get involved. So the next sauce we're trying is our regular Cannon Fire. And this is the sauce that we make every single year. And so this one is a very medium hot sauce.
You're right, you can have quite a bit and it's not going to burn too badly. Yeah.
And one of the challenges with this product is that because we do use mostly different peppers every year, and we do have a different harvest depending on the weather, it changes the flavors of the peppers. One of our challenges is matching the flavor of the Cannon Fire this year with the ones of previous years to make sure that there is continuity.
So there's a little bit of taste testing that goes on throughout the process.
Yeah. The best part of formulation.
Yeah, for sure. Krupa, I know that the hot honey is yours. Can you tell me about the hot honey?
The hot honey is a new product this year. I am a co-op student at the Guelph Food Innovation Center. For this project, I was the project lead, which was extremely fun, and I got to learn a lot. The honey came from the University of Guelph Honeybee Research Center.
And so what else could you use this honey on? What types of products?
After we finished producing the honey, the first thing we did was try it on the vanilla ice cream that was made at the GFIC as well. It was sweet in the beginning, and then in the end, you got like a spice kick.
So there's quite a bit of heat there. So let's try this heat. It's got a great flavor. I could imagine it on ice cream.
I feel like the cold of the ice cream with like the warmth of the spice would like really balance out and go well together.
Yes, it does.
So I know that Krupa did this as part of her co-op experience, but Jillian, why did you do this?
So when I initially transferred into the food science program when I was in 2nd year, I started volunteering with the Hot Sauce Project, and being able to be part of the entire product development and production process I found really special. And especially as somebody who is not in the co-op program, I found this really helpful for experiential learning, being able to have just so much hands-on experience that I can then transfer into jobs when I graduate.
We have the new mango. Sabrin, you made the label for this product, didn't you?
Mainly what inspired me, I think, was the vibrant orange color of the hot sauce, and I wanted to do something to complement that.
We took inspiration from this Mexican street dish called Mango en Palo. It's sweet and savory and a bit spicy.
I like that on the label you have listed all the peppers out so that you can read what peppers are in the product.
And we put so much effort into growing all the peppers ourselves here on campus, and so it's good to get the recognition of how many we've grown, just because it is quite a challenge.
Yeah.
All the spicy peppers in Canada.
All right, I'm gonna give this a go. Well, there's definitely some heat there, but lovely flavor. A really nice blend of flavors in that product.
It does have a pretty good kick to it, but because of like the sweetness and also like the fats in the mango, the spice doesn't last as long in your mouth, and so it kind of goes away pretty quickly.
All right, well, that brings us to our last product. So it's not gonna go away as quickly as it.
So this is our Cannon Fire NSFW. It is the spiciest sauce that we have made so far. It uses pretty similar peppers to the other products, but it's just a lot more concentrated. This one, unfortunately, is not for sale anymore because we made it last year, but it just kind of shows the scope of products that we can make and kind of creativity that comes out of the undergrad students in the food science department.
Okay, good luck. There's definitely some heat there. It's fantastic to see the range of products you have. Is there anything else you want people to know?
If you want to learn more about our production process, you can follow us on Instagram at UofG_CannonFire.